What's up, guys? I'm Brent with VapeRite, and we're here at VapeRite in Woodstock, and today we're going to be doing the blind taste test. So we're going to take VR Premium Liquid's new flavor, Dairy Berry, and we're going to put it up against our best-selling strawberry cream flavors. We're going to do unicorn milk and mother's milk, and we're going to see what the people think is the best flavor without knowing which flavor it is. All right, let's do it. Here we go with another round of the blind taste test. What's your name, boss?
Bill.
Bill, try them out, man. Tell us which one you think is the best.
Okay. That one.
That one?
Oh, nice.
Very.
Oh, this one. That one right there. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Let me do the reveal. Alright, so you picked Dairy Berry. Let it sink in. Probably that one. Right? That first one? Yeah. Alright. Here's the reveal. Oh, alright. So what you picked was Dairy Berry. It's one of our flavors at the VapeRite Premium Liquids bar.
I'm gonna say number 2.
Number 2? Right here?
Right here.
Okay, let's reveal. See what it is. Oh,
3.
Dairy Berry. VapeRite's on. Alright, man. Hey, appreciate it.
Not a problem, man.